Boston Dynamics is showing off some very practical robots. No dance moves here. Just a robust factory warehouse worker moving boxes to the tune of like, I don't know, 800 an hour or something. Like some crazy, says so in the video, but this guy's coming for your job. He's coming for all of our jobs, Will. Can't you tell? Look at him. He doesn't get tired. Him, her, it, whatever.
Call him Bob.
Boston Bob.
There you go.
And it's just out of control. It goes bang, 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 bang. Get tired. Anyway, apparently there's some research and they were asking what they were looking for the big requests. Where could robotics help you out? What are the toughest jobs? Apparently unloading containers is one of those jobs. And you can imagine if these are heavy boxes, that's a tough gig every single day of your life.
Very repetitive as well.
Very repetitive. So the robot steps in, and you know what? The robot doesn't get bored, Will. Robot doesn't get tired. Robot doesn't get bored. And you know what else? The robot doesn't take a lunch break. You know what else? The robot doesn't pee in a bottle.
Yeah.
So we can all complain about these bottles. And meanwhile, Bezos is going to be hooking up with these robots. They don't leave no bottles behind. Just think about that for a second. Anyway, yeah, so obviously it makes sense. It's actually kind of weird that we didn't see more Boston Dynamics robots with an immediate practical application. Like as much as cool as the robot dogs are, you see people showing them off what they're doing. It's kind of on the usefulness scale, it was like, they're mapping out this room or you would see the promo video, and as cute as the dog was, it's like, it's carrying a single cinder block.
Right. Opening doors for other
It's cool.
spots.
It was cool for law enforcement and whoever else.
Yeah. But this is real application.
This is like all of a sudden Amazon calls them up and orders 6,000 of these.
Mm-hmm.
And they're just unloading containers forever into eternity. Now, one thing I will note about this demonstration, every single box is the same dimension. So
yeah, they need to work on various types of boxes.
And maybe they do, but maybe there are companies that they would receive containers full of the exact same part.
Right.
Or the exact same box size, something like this. But tremendous efficiency. Your days are numbered, Will.
Yeah.